about 35 metres above ground. Thank you for the contact, Dimitris. Nice to hear you. Nice to hear Greece this morning.
So this guy is running a FT5000 MP on a 5-element boom.
Dimitris, and have a good morning in Greece, Roger.
So I think this he was in Thailand, and I can't quite get the station in Greece. It's 20 to 6 on a Monday night here in
Thank you.
Perth.
Nice to hear you, Demetrius, in Athens, Greece, from 29 to CBI to 5. Have a good morning. Have a seat. Bye-bye now.
I think he's in Thailand. Right, we'll go back down onto the international calling channel. See what's happening on there. I can just hear some stations in the background. There's a couple of stations saying CQ. Let's go back up. There's a bit happening. Drop down on 35 Australian. On the other side, excuse me, nothing. And we'll drop down onto the Indo channels. Yeah, they always burn in. Must be good conditions tonight. Sorry about the glare, the camera picks up the LEDs a bit weird, but they're not as bright as what they look. This guy's doing me 30 over. Running some serious power. Sorry about that, a bit noisy. Go back up to the international calling. See if anyone's on there. Oh yeah, I can just hear some stations in the background. Let's see if there's anyone higher up. Not really. This goes all the way. But yeah, I've got some stations there. And we'll drop it down again. Gone quiet. Probably missed it by about an hour. Then I just thought I'd give you a quick listen to see what's going on around the bands, and yeah, Skip's definitely rolling in 73s.